Right, so we're looking for the unknown angle. So we have an angle, side, angle, side. So what will we call it? So we'll call this A, angle A, that's side A, small a. Call this angle B, and this is side B. Right, so we need the formula. A sine A is equal to B sine B. So A is 5, sine A is what we're looking for. B is 12, sine B, sine is 60 degrees. We'll get your calculators out and have them ready. Do all these. Sine is 60. Right, so first of all we cross multiply. So 12 times sine A is equal to 5 times sine 60 degrees. We won't use any calculations just yet. Now we want to get rid of we want to find A, so we'll get rid of the 12 by dividing both sides by 12. 12 over 12 is 1, so sine A is equal to 5 times, or 5 twelves, the sine of 60. So sine of 60 degrees is equal to root 3 over 2, and that's multiplied by 5 times 5 equals, divided by 12 equals 0.3608439. Write as much of the decimal as you can until you're finished. Now the sine inverse 0.3608439. So shift. So sine inverse 3608439. 21.15. So A is equal to 21.15. So round it off to 21 degrees. So A is 21. Okay, well, we could continue on then. We could find this angle C. How do you do that? So, yeah. So 60 plus 21, which is 81. Take that away from 180. And what do you get? 100 then?
98.85.
Sorry, what'd you get?
98.85.
98.85. Alright, well, you used a decimal as well, so 98.85. Right, and once you get 98.85, you use the sine rule again to find that side. Right, so it's recorded, so we'll move on to the next one. So, which one do you want to pick? One part?
2.
Go on to 2. So again, we won't use the RSQ, we'll use ABC. So 60 degrees and 10, so we'll call that angle A, call that side A, and this is 50. So we're looking, we'll call that angle B, I'll call it side B. What's the formula? A over sine A, B over sine B. So A is 10 over sine 60 degrees. We're looking for B, sine 50 degrees. Now we cross multiply, so it's B times sine of 60 degrees. Is equal to 10 times now we don't want sine of 60 on this side to get rid of it. Divide by the sine of 60. Divide by the sine of 60. What you do on the left you have to do on the right. So that becomes 1. Sine 60 divided by sine 60 is 1. B is equal to calculator. So the sine of 50 is equal to times 10 is equal to, and divided by the sine 60. 8.84, is that what you got? 8.845. So if you round it off to the nearest whole number, Well, you can leave. Well, it is 8.845. If you're asked to round it off to the nearest whole number, the answer is 9. All right. To get the third angle, you just add those two together. Subtract from 180. You got this angle, and then you can start again. Which measurement would you use if you were looking for this angle? Which measurement would you use? Would you use 9 or 8.845? If you were using B, you would use 8.845 to be more accurate. Actually, what you'd do if you were looking for this angle, which is C, well, it's easy to get the angle, but if you're looking for this side C, you'd use angle A, side A, and angle C, side C, because A is 10. Right, do you want to choose another one?
From question 1.
What?
From question 1.
Yeah.
Question 6.
From VI. $52, 38, it's 3.2. And suppose you're looking for this side here. We'll change our lettering. We'll call that angle A and we'll call that side A. We'll call this angle B and we'll call this side B. A over sine A. Now you can equally write, watch, you can equally write this. You can write it upside down. Doesn't change it. It's the same. Right, so we start off with sine A, sine of 38. Over 3.2. Sine B, sine of 52. Over B is what we're looking for. Now cross multiply. We'll do the B times sine of 38 first. Is equal to 3.2 times sine of 52 degrees. So divide both sides by the sine of 38 degrees. Sine of 38 divided by sine of 38 becomes 1, so that's what B is equal to. Multiply 3.2 by the sine of 52, so sine of 52 equals times 3.2 equals divided by sine of 38 degrees. Divided by the sine of, so 4.095. If you're asked to round it off, B would be equal to 4. Alright, if we did go a step further, which we will now, 52 and 38, add the two of them together, and you get 90. So this angle is 90 degrees. So we'll go a step further. We'll find side C. So far in the sum, which side are you 100% sure is correct? This one, because they gave it to you, didn't it, in the sum? Just in case you were wrong here, by or out, or if it was in a decimal and you had to round it, you wouldn't use this one. You would use this one again. Right. So we're going to use A and C. So A sine A is equal to C sine C. So then again, A is 3.2 sine 38 degrees, and C, we're looking for C, sine 90. So then again, cross C times the sine of 38, and 3.2 times the sine of 90. What is it? From the unit circle, you don't have to look it up. So cos and sine, so it's 0 or 1? 0. So we'll divide both sides by sine of 38.
So I got 1. It's 1. It's 1. Sorry.
1. Alright. Okay. C is equal to, so 3.2 times the sine of 90, 3.2 times 1, which is 3.2. 3.2 divided by sine of 38. Divided by sine of 38. 5.19. Alright, so C is equal to, if you're asked to round it off, C is equal to 5 units.